Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the column width in the Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Google Docs app. Here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just have to select the document that we want to work on, like this. Then in the bottom right corner we have to tap on the pencil icon, and then select the column in the table that we have. Then tap on this little gray rectangle, and here if we slide it to the left or to the right, we can change the dimension of the column like this. And we can do this with the other columns as well, so it fits the dimension of the information that we are writing inside of that column. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.